Let's find 100 blue fidgets. But first, we have to put this away. There's nothing in these two drawers. In here, we have this bike chain. 1. In the mochi drawer, we have a ton of blue mochis. Pretty sure I found just about all of them. This was a grand total of 15, so now we have 16. Now the monkey noodles. I have this air globble. 17. I got 16 blue monkey noodles, so now we're up to 23. In here, I have 2 marbles and mesh. 24, 25. I have this magnet cube. 26. And then I have this bendy thing. 27. In here, I have 2 wall balls. 28, 29. Now, the putty drawer. We have Tropical Punch, Sea Kissed, and Wild River. 30, 31, and 32. In here, I have this dimple. 33. In the mini poppets, I have this flippy octopus. 34. Now let's check in here. I found 10 things in there, so now we're up to 44. Now let's check in here. This whale, 45. And Stitch, 46. Now in here, 47. 48. Now big putties, we have 7 C's. 49. I have this tangle. 50. This tangle. 51. This tangle. 52. This metallic one. 53. 2 keychains. 54 and 55. This atomic tangle. 56. This one. 57. This classic one. 58. This stingray one. 59. This textured metallic one. 60. This palm tangle. 61. Now moving on from tangles. This pop tube. 62. This infinity cube. 63. I found all these. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. I have all these blue poppets. This brings us to 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 100.